The human brain is hardwired to notice and remember things that are different, and that can change everything. It's like a switch flips in us, and it makes us want it and want it badly. Welcome to World's Best Persuasion Tactics from A to Z. A is for the authority principle. Ever since we were children, we have been taught to recognize and respect authority. So by the time we're adults, it's ingrained in us. And if an authority says something, we usually believe it. And if an authority tells us to do something, we usually do. Here's an ad for ski parkas from LL Bean, and they say that they're trusted and tested by the U.S. ski team. Well, when it comes to ski parkas, we think of the U.S. ski team as authorities, and so we think the parkas must be good. Or here's Wine Awesomeness, and they say, hey, try us for $19 and see why Harper's Bazaar, Eater, and Thrillist love us. And then they go on to say that Harper's Bazaar calls them a thoroughly modern wine club, Eater ranked them as part of the top 4 wine clubs on the internet, and when we see this, we think, well, they're the authorities, they must know, and that gives us the confidence to trust this particular Wine Awesomeness club. All right, B is for the word because. And because is a very powerful word for us. It's a very helpful word for marketers. And here's why. Social scientists have found that people are more likely to do what we ask them to do if we give them a reason why. And a great way to tee up that reason why is the word because. Ellen Langer from Harvard University identified the word because as an automatic compliance trigger. When we see or hear the word because, we just start to nod up and down like little bobbleheads. That's that football player you're looking at. We start to nod up and down like a bobblehead without fully processing what comes next. Before we've even read what comes after the word because, we're automatically agreeing. We believe that it's going to be a good, legitimate reason. So how do we use this in our marketing? Well, here's Weight Watchers, and they say Weight Watchers works because it's not a diet. And here we have an investment e-newsletter, and they say, why am I getting this? You're receiving this e-newsletter because we thought this information might be beneficial to you. So it's not even an ironclad reason. They're not saying, hey, you're getting this e-newsletter because you're going to make $1 million. That'd be wonderful, but they can't say that. Just providing some kind of a reason why, because we thought this information might be beneficial to you. All right, C is for commitment and consistency. And what social scientists have found is,
want to be part of the world's largest community of subscription innovators? Join our community today and take your subscription business to the next level.
You'll get access to insightful content, actionable workshops, and industry insights.
Not only do you get exclusive content, but you get access to the largest community of subscription innovators and leaders. And with SUBTA Premium membership, you also get discounts on our live events.
Customer experience, operations, you name it, it's all there at SUBTA.com. It's some of the best money you could ever spend.
If you're in the subscription business, joining SUBTA is a no-brainer.
We can't wait to meet you. Join us at SUBTA.com.